Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about how to scan from WhatsApp. Scanning from WhatsApp is a very easy process. So let's get started. First of all, find the WhatsApp on your home screen. Now click on it. Now you're in the WhatsApp. You can see there is a settings button. Now click on it. Here you can see there is a QR badge which is in the right corner of the profile picture. Now click on it. Here you can find the QR of your own WhatsApp profile. Now click on to scan. After clicking on the scan, you can see there is a camera where you can scan the QR, or you can also use it from the gallery like this. So after scanning, the person that you scan from the QR will appear. So that's it. You have successfully scanned the QR from the WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.